Ahoy in the back! My name is Sam Pigeon, and I am the cabin boy aboard the pirate ship, the Fat Pig. Now, my pirate captain, he is the roughest, the toughest, the meanest pirate captain of them all. He is none other than Shark-Tooth Jack. Now, we are on a quest to find his treasure, the treasure of the golden parrot. Now, look, we've got a map, but we've only got the one piece of it, and we need the other pieces to help us find the treasure. And that has put Shark-Tooth Jack in a very, very, very bad mood. Pigeon, where's my parrot? It's Shark-Tooth Jack. Oh, no. Crow of the Fat Pig, fall in. Oh. Now listen close, Sam Pigeon. Not that close, you barnacle! Time is running out. We must find the treasure of the golden parrot without delay. As I have heard news on the grapevine that other pirates are very close to Mutiny Bay. Other pirates? Oh no! Captain, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? We're going to fight them. Oh! We're going to beat them. Oh! And then we'll chop them, into tiny bits. And feed them to the fish. What you doing down there? I'm getting up. Hornswoggle. Now, have you had any luck reading the treasure map? Well, it's not very easy to read a treasure map, Captain, when you've only got one piece of it. I don't want excuses. You're no good at reading maps anyway. We don't need to read treasure maps anymore, Captain. No, not now that I have invented this. What's that? This is my latest invention to help us navigate at sea. You put it on the front of the ship. You tell it where you want to go. And it guides us. It's a rat nav. Rat nav? Yay, rat nav. Here, let's have a go. Take us to the treasure of the golden parrot.
Turn left at the next iceberg and keep going for 400 yards.
Iceberg? I can't see no iceberg.
Recalculating. Sail around the desert island and take 4 exits.
Around the desert island and take 4 exits? Oh, it must just be a loose whisker.
Calculate.
Ridiculous idea. It'll never catch on. Oh, it only needs a couple of tweaks, Captain. Tweaks? Tweaks? I'll give you a tweak, all right. Sam Pigeon, you are a fool. And as soon as we have found the golden parrot, this fool will walk the plank. Oh, that's not very fair, Captain. I'm not a fool. I'm only doing my best. It's my brain, you see. It just gets a bit upside down, that's all. Pirates watching over me with a sneer upon their face. As I have made it to this far in an unforgiving place. It seems sometimes the sea's too rough for a boy like me to sail. I don't want to fall in overboard and get swallowed by a whale. I'm there, don't care, I'm halfway there. Nowhere on a sea that leads me straight to who knows where. now. Now, enough of this prancing around singing. We must find the golden parrot. Let's have a look at that bit of map. Aye, aye, Captain. Here we are. Someone's coming. Quick, hide. Hide!
Well, according to this piece of the map, this is Mutiny Bay. Huzzah! Hello, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sir Edward England of His Majesty's Navy. Now, have to admit, I have lost my ship, yes. You see, we set sail on Tuesday. Mission to capture pirates. By Thursday, got lost. So the crew came up with a plan that I should go and buy a map from a desert island, which apparently had a map shop on it. Yes. So the crew popped in a boat, said they would wait for me. Have to admit, couldn't find the map shop, couldn't find the island. And then stopped it all off. Couldn't buy my ship. I do hope the crew are all right. Anyway, I can't stand chatting all day. Better on my mission of catching pirates.
Catching pirates, did you say?
Yes, that's right. How do you do, Sir Edward England at your service?
And what will you do with these pirates when you've catched them?
Have to admit, it won't be pretty. I'll take them back to England and watch them hang for their wicked pirate crime.
Oh, will you now? And have you seen any pirates?
Have to admit, not yet, although I do have a description of one such pirate. He's called Shark Tooth Jack. Apparently he wears a dirty brown coat. He's very ugly and smells of seagull poop. This Shark Tooth Jack sounds like a right minger. May I have the pleasure of saying whom it is I'm addressing?
Our name is Shark Tooth Jack.
Ah, nice to meet you, Mr. Shark Tooth Jack. To admit me, made a bit of a mistake.
Ugly, am I?
Certainly. No. Oh, if you trim them in to take care of your
Seagull poo?
more like eau de seaweed.
Linger? Yeah, right.
Halt. No more Mr. Nice Guy. I'm sorry. I've got a job to do, and I'm going to have to take you back to England to be punished. Right. Oh, you give me no choice but to shoot. Ready? Aim. Fire!
Grab the jellyfish! Not me, you idiot! Aye, Captain. We'll keel-haul him later.
Here, Captain, look. If we take his piece of treasure map and put it next to our piece of treasure map, look, that means that we have got two pieces of treasure map.
So we do. I need to study this. Then we can get back to finding the treasure of the golden parrot.
I say, boys, this isn't fair. I'm supposed to be catching you, not you catching me. I'm on His Majesty's business. I need to do my business.
Well, there's a bucket in there. You can use that.
No.
Sam Pigeon, stand guard and don't fall asleep.
As if I'd stand guard and fall asleep. He takes me for a fool. I'd never fallen.
Have to admit, got myself in a bit of a pickle. I need help. This is that heroic music. Somebody must be coming.
Belay there, me heart! But I for my Parrot, how awful! Well, should have mentioned this. This little bit of map has brought
Excuse me.
Who's that?
It's me, over here. Sir Edward England, have to admit, got myself in a spot of bother.
Indeed you have, Sir Edward. What you doing in there?
I was on a mission to capture pirates. Have to admit, got caught by said pirates.
On a mission to catch pirates, are you? Well, you're asking for help with the wrong woman. As I'm none other than Pirate Captain Jenny James.
You're a pirate, but you're a girlie.
Less of the girlie.
Oh, please let me out. I promise I won't hurt you.
You hurt me.
I almost hurt Shark Tooth Jack.
Shark-Tooth Jack. It's Shark-Tooth Jack here. You need to tell me more. Sir Edward, stand back from that door.
Oh, thank you, Captain Jenny. Yes, Shark-Tooth Jack locked me in there. I went off to look at 2 pieces of the map, which he said would lead him to the treasure of the Golden Parrot.
This is to the Golden Parrot, is it? Well, sounds to me like he has the rest of my treasure map.
I think you mean my treasure map, Jenny James.
Well, if there's the scurviest job to sail the 7 seas.
Flattery will get you nowhere, Jenny James. Now hand over your map.
No, you hand over your map.
Now I don't want to get tough with a girly pirate.
Less of the girlie.
You're outnumbered, Sam Pigeon. Where is the fool? Pigeon, wake up!
No, what? Look, Captain, look! A girly pirate!
Less of the girlie.
Who ever heard of a girly being a captain of a pirate ship? It's time to teach you a lesson. Girly! 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 Girly!
Right, I warned you. That's it. Stand back, Sir Edward. This could get very messy.
Right, sorry.
I need to teach you 2 a lesson through brilliant swordplay and the medium of song. I know a place where the sea is really free. Storms wet and wide, there must be something in the water. Finding treasure chests, seeing round the corners. Boys, break the nets, try to put in the sea. And you can travel the world, but nothing comes close to the golden coast. Once you pirate with me, you'll be falling in love. Pirate girl, where we can treasure chests full of bad times. Who's the girlie now, squid face? Seeing as though I'm the victorious pirate, you lot are now all in my crew.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Now, Sir Edward, what does that completing that sever leading me to the treasure of the Golden Parrot?
Here you go, Captain Jenny.
Oh, yes. Here we go.